focus on Beijing, if not mistaken. Okay, Beijing house. So this is just an introduction about the current real estate market for Beijing. So say you can focus on your own area, then you find information to talk about the introduction. Alright? So any things that you can talk lah. Okay? You can have the talk about some intro that you can find from online. So whatever you find, you need to citation. Okay? You need to cite where you get. Then the component of business intelligence, this one is just a general thing. You don't have to like really write for this. Okay, if you say that you don't have anything to write already, then you can go for this. This is just the general info where I don't think it is important for your assignment. Okay, 这个只是抽页数而已。Alright. Okay, so this one is good. Right, methodology. So you need to let me know where you get your data set. Okay, show me the link from Kaggle and so on. Right? Then the data requirements is the things that you need to show me. So once you find your data set already, you need to prepare a table to tell me what is your data name, to tell me what is your data type. Okay, your example and how or what is your data description. So this is the tables that you need to show me. Okay, based on the data set that you get. So maybe you need to have a long table. If you got up to like 30 fields, you need to show me all the fields that you have. Okay, so you can see a lot of. Okay, so data cleaning and pre-processing. This one is optional. This one is needed when you do something on your data set. If you say that your data set got lots of like empty fields, you need to do some data cleaning, then you need to explain what you have done. Okay, so this one is optional. If you can find a very good data set, which is after they clean everything, right? So you don't have to explain about this on your data set. So this one is optional, just let you know. And yeah, the most important thing is I want to show you about the dashboard. So, example, okay, for the market trend dashboard. So you can see the dashboard is built up by 4 charts. Okay, and then on top of it, this one is also the things that we will learn in our practical class. They will show the numbers, okay, about the average number. You can put some calculations based on your database from year to year, and all these we can play around one. They not only show you the data from 2011 until 2017. I can play around with your dashboard. So this one is a good thing for a dashboard. I can always change the data that I want to see. Okay. So same thing, if I try to change a different year, they will show me different charts, different number. So this is how your dashboard looks like. We will learn that in future. Okay. So after you create a dashboard, because dashboard is the overall things that you need to see. Okay. This one is another 20 marks. So you need to explain. So for every single chart, you also need to explain. Okay, what you have done. Why you want to have this chart, the main purpose. Okay, explain. Normally the explanation is about the observation, what you can observe from the charts. That's it. Okay, you don't need to have a very long explanation for every single chart. As long as you can provide me the explanations, then that's fine enough. Okay, so you can see roughly 1 page for one chart. Okay, one chart then explanation for 1 page only. Normally you can using this standard to prepare the reports. Okay, you don't have to prepare a very lengthy report. Okay, then next one, they will have different dashboard. So this one is prepared by the other person, the other students already. Okay, but this one is not in the individual marks. All of you need to work together. Even though like just want to assign your task easily so that one student prepare for one dashboard. Okay, to be fair for all of you, right? So you can also prepare different dashboard, same thing, explain, right? Explain what is the dashboard that you have, your charts and so on. There's a lot of, you can try to play around with different charts. So this one is even more complicated, I can say that. Okay, this is, they provide you more information, including the line charts, including the map area, so that you can understand about, okay, this area they got more bungalow and so on. Okay, so you can try to do all this. They got line charts, okay, dotted line and so on. You can try to play around on this. So that's it. Okay, basically like your report is something like this. After that, you need to prepare the conclusions. Okay, this is also the general things. Okay, you don't have to explain all this actually. That's the conclusion. Yeah, and the last slide you need to tell me about the conclusion. Okay, so based on all of the dashboard, based on all of the information that you get, so what you can conclude based on this.
Compare state with state, is it?
You want to compare state with state also can, but normally for this one we talk about the overall. So that if you can have some comparison, then you can explain to your customer, so that if you want to invest, then you can invest in KL better, or you want to invest in Singapore better, because the dashboard is for us to do comparison.
It says here across different locations. So it means like, let's say if you're doing in KL, so across KL.
Yes, right. You can choose your own focus area.
Or so it doesn't have to be like state and state.
No. You can focus on your own area. Okay, so basically it's something like this. Okay, right? So that's it for your